Chee-hoo! Would you rather surf or go play with your friends?
Go play with my friends.
I almost had it. I almost had it. I almost had it. Oh my God, my arms feel like cement.
Aloha from Hawaii. Welcome back, you beautiful people. Another day surfing on this beautiful island of Oahu. This is gonna be another one of those videos where we probably just jump right into it. Let's hit it.
Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me.
Now we're off, let's go. It stopped raining the second we got off base. So here's hoping that that this works out tonight. And we're going with Kimberly and family. So this is our second adventure with them. This is gonna be a weekday nightly trip with a bunch of homeschoolers to White Plains Beach. Let's hit it.
Look at these beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car.
Of course, the nice thing about doing this is our first time actually surfing with another bunch of kids. And so Alex is this little social butterfly. She loves to talk, she loves to interact with other kids. And so the thought, I guess that's why I was just so excited about this day. The more fun that Alex is having, the more likely she's gonna keep going.
I'm gonna make mistakes, I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do. Try not to hold me when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this.
Yeah! Woo! My prediction came true, and Alex turned into this goofball, having the best time ever out there.
totally like went right as that guy was coming around. But I don't think she intended to.
Summer is better with friends.
So in case you didn't know, Alex is ambidextrous, and most of the time she surfs goofy. And also some of the time she skateboards goofy, but sometimes she likes to switch it up. And so by the last time we went surfing, didn't really turn into surfing. It was almost like a boogie boarding, bodyboarding at Haleiwa. And that was because I kind of wanted her to just kind of reset and figure things out, what felt comfortable for her, because every once in a while she'll just kind of switch. And the last 2 months we've been going out, one, we've been working towards a shorter board. So if you guys don't know anything about surfing, know this. Like, the longer the board, the easier it is to paddle out, the easier it is to catch a wave, and the more stable it is for you to stand on. So longboards can be really beginner friendly in that manner. We've been working from the longboard, then we went to the Skipper 6.6, and now we are on a 5.8 quad. And we're, I think, eventually gonna go even shorter, but like we're kind of building up to this. Oh, Haley, of course, is coming with us. Can't leave Haley behind. Can you show me? What is that?
Very spiky for me.
It is.
It's cute.
Wow. Kimberly on camera catching wave. She kept on saying how terrible she was. Dude, this girl was rocking it.
Watch out for my board, I don't want to slow you.
Woo! Dude, you did amazing! That was so good! You guys were rocking out there. I think I got at least all of you at least once.
Oh, mine's bad.
I stood up. Like, I went all the way back to shore.
You did amazing. You guys did amazing.
Bend your knees more. I'm like, I forgot I wasn't on my skateboard. So I was like skating.
No,
So
you looked good.
Really?
Dude, you did awesome.
Actually, probably like second wave, right?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Dude, you ready to watch Mom make a fool of herself?
these are all homeschoolers, yeah?
I know, I'm so told you.
You guys did amazing.
So then it was time for me to go out and make a fool of myself. And boy, did I make a fool of myself.
You look like you're having so much fun.
So not having the girls were on the beach with all the other moms. It was so nice. And then a bunch of moms, Kimberly and I, went out to go catch a couple waves, and eventually I did catch a wave. But unfortunately for you guys, the GoPro died. Kimberly is my witness.
We don't believe you.
And I was killing myself out there. No matter how hard I was trying, because the nose was tipped up. And so as soon as I leaned forward just enough, it balanced the board out. And as soon as the wave came, like it actually like caught the wave and caught some speed. And only, unfortunately, like I didn't get to stand on it because as soon as I caught the wave, I was like, oh, I can stand. And I looked up and there's someone directly in my path. I was like, ah! So I ended up bailing and jumping off. I know, I should have caught that on camera. I'm so sorry.
Different GoPro, don't lose it. It's on. It's on. Go for it, kid. Go, go, go. Follow Kimberly.
I don't know why Alex screamed John Cena and jumping off the board. I'm pretty certain that John hates John Cena.
Mom, hey, it's a bad word.
You are allowed to not like people.
Wow, Alex! Woo! She's gonna ride it all the way in. I think so. That's someone. Wow, that is his night.
My eyes are hurting.
I can't hear you. I said in all your footage is me going, ah! Ah! It's okay. You just put some nice music over it. That sounds good. I was like, Alex, I could see you. I was like, look, she's directing traffic.
Kimberly and family, you guys were rocking it out there. I want you guys to know that. You guys made our whole nights, all the other families. It was really special to us. So thank you. Mahalo, mahalo to you. And in case you guys were wondering, John is out in the fields. He didn't get to come and enjoy this with us because I think he would have enjoyed it. But it's hard, one, like he'd have to get out of work early and sometimes that just doesn't really happen. And then two, he was out in the field. But when John's out in the fields, I have this routine where the girls get to sleep with me. So it's something for them to get excited about, something to look forward to when Dad's gone. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to continue doing this for much longer because my God, my girls are starting to get a little big.
Thanks for watching. Click on the subscribe button.
I'm so behind on posting videos, you guys. So stay tuned. We have a lot more action coming. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this surfing. I know I did. I enjoyed watching it. I enjoyed seeing the look on Alex's face. Both girls had a great time that day. Mahalo for watching. And if you've made it to the end, thumbs up, people. Thumbs up. Keep going. We can do this. We'll see you guys later.